What's up guys, Louis vlogging here, and right now is I am cutting some grass. So yeah, as you can see, there have already cutting here, but on the other side is not totally cut. So estimated that already done for cutting is around 45%. So I will going to still continue all the remaining here over right there, and then will be done my simple work first. So we're going to move in the second work. Okay, that's it. Waiting for to finish. Huh? Okay.
What? Tana all. Los. Los tana all. Tana all. Uy! Okay. Ay, ito na ba? Ay, kuya.
Ah! Agdaw, baby!